Samson was chosen by God to deliver Israel from their enemy, the Philistines. Samson fell in love with Delilah. The Philistines said to her, "See if you can make him show you the secret to his great strength." So Delilah said to Samson, "Tell me the secret of your great strength." Samson said, "If you tie me with new ropes, I'll become as weak as any other man." So Delilah tied him up. Then she called, "Samson, the Philistines are here." But Samson snapped the ropes. Delilah then said to Samson, "You have been lying to me. Tell me how you can be tied." He replied, "If you weave my 7 braids into a loom, I'll become weak." So while he was sleeping, Delilah wove his 7 braids into a loom. Again she called to him, "Samson, the Philistines are here." But he woke up and escaped the loom. Then she nagged him day after day after day until he was tired to death. So he told her everything. "If my head were shaved, I would become weak." Having put Samson to sleep on her lap, she called a man to shave off his hair, and his strength left him. Then the Philistines seized him, gouged out his eyes, and took him to prison. But the hair on his head began to grow again. Now the rulers of the Philistines got together while they were in high spirits. They shouted, "Bring out Samson to entertain us." When they stood him among the pillars, Samson prayed to God, "Please strengthen me just once more." Then Samson reached toward the 2 pillars of which the temple stood. Bracing himself against them, he pushed with all his might, and down came the temple.